Good afternoon, Pioneers. I'm Leah.
And I'm Leanna.
And welcome back to another episode.
I heard that the Super Bowl is coming soon.
I wonder who's gonna win.
Me too. I wonder what you guys think.
So we're here with today.
You're here with Monish.
We have one question.
What's up?
This Sunday, who do you think is gonna win the Super Bowl?
Low key, I don't want the Chiefs to win. I want the Eagles to win, but you know how the refs be, bro.
Yeah.
The refs be saving Patrick Mahomes. So
Yeah. So who we're here with today?
Maverick Crawford.
So we have one question for you. This Sunday, who do you think is gonna win the Super Bowl?
I think the Eagles are going to win.
Why is that?
The reason why I believe that is the Eagles dominated more in the NFC Championship game than the Chiefs did in the AFC.
Hello, who am I here with?
Mr. Jeff from Project Kinship, Artesia High School.
Who are you going for the Super Bowl?
Well, I would like it if the Eagles would win, but since the refs work for the Kansas City Chiefs, they're probably going to win.
Who am I here with today?
I win you my level.
Who do you think is going to win the Super Bowl?
I think the Eagles are going to win
Why?
because I don't want the Chiefs to win. The Saquon Barkley's going to win all of them.
Who am I here with today?
Tristan.
Who do you think is going to win the Super Bowl?
I think the Eagles are going to
Why?
win because I don't like Patrick Mahomes.
Thank you for your time.
So who am I here with today?
You're here with SIA Darius, the best SIA on campus.
Alright, what's up, Darius? So my question for you is, who do you think is gonna win the Super Bowl and why?
I think the Eagles, just because I don't want Mahomes to win.
Just because of that?
Strictly off of that. I ain't gonna lie, Chiefs have been in the Super Bowl like what, past 3, 5, 10 years.
Yeah,
you know what
for
I'm
a
saying?
while.
Let's get somebody different. But yeah, it'll be nice to see another lose.
Alright, thank you.
We'll see whose predictions are right. Now on to Teacher Spotlight.
Hello, I'm Sebastian Gutierrez, and who am I with?
I'm Miss McCutchan.
All right, my first question is, how long have you worked at Artesia?
This is my 3rd year here at Artesia.
All right, what were your thoughts of the school when you began teaching here?
I thought it was a really nice campus, that everything's all on a single story, and that it had cool artwork around campus, but that it would be bad walking around here when it rains.
Okay. What made you decide to become an English teacher?
When I got recruited to teach down in Los Angeles, they only had openings for English, math, or special education. And I knew I probably would not feel confident enough to be a math teacher, and I didn't know enough about special education to know if I would be good at that. So when they told me you have to pass some tests, which tests do you want to pass, English, math, or special education? I said I would try the English tests, and I passed those, so that's why I decided to become an English teacher.
Okay. Would you like to say a joke?
You're the joke.
Oh, thank you. Did you come to Artesia before in the past?
I don't think I'd ever come to the campus before I started working here, no.
Okay. Finally, what are some of your favorite memories from the school?
I really liked our carnival that we had last year when you would have been a sophomore. It was like one of the hottest days of the year, but it was still really fun watching all the students play the games and get to hang out with their friends and eat special snacks. Thought that was really special. I also liked going to the soccer game last year when the girls won their CIF Southern Section playoff game and overtime. That was really exciting. I also just like finals week every year, seeing students for that last time and taking their tests and saying bye as everybody goes out the door. And first semester knowing we all get 2 weeks off, second semester knowing that students are finishing the year and hopefully finishing it strong. That's always a good feeling, either to get a break or finish the year. Also, graduation every year is really nice. There's lots of special surprises and nice moments there.
All right, thank you for your time, and on to the next segment.
That was fun getting to know more about Miss McCutchan. But now let's move on to Baking with Alex. Baking with Alex.
Hi, I'm Alex, and welcome to Baking with Alex. Today we are going to be making cookies, and we got a special guest with us, my kitty, Tiger. Today we are going to be making regular chocolate chip cookies, and these are the ingredients you're going to need.
First, we're going to mix all of our dry ingredients together. We're going to need 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Once we get those ingredients together, we're going to mix. Once we're done mixing, we're going to set it aside while we mix our wet ingredients in a separate bowl. We add 1 cup of brown sugar, but make sure it's packed to get an accurate measurement. Then add all of the other sugars. After that, we're going to add 2 sticks of softened butter until the mixture has this kind of consistency. Now, we're going to add our 2 eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, then mix. After we're done mixing the wet ingredients together, we're going to slowly add our dry mixture to the wet mixture. We have to make sure to thoroughly mix because the flour can hide at the bottom of the bowl. And we're going to mix it until it looks like cookie dough. Once it looks like cookie dough, we add as much chocolate chips as our heart desires. Then, we're going to grab our pan and put parchment paper on it so the cookies don't stick. But while we do this, we're going to preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Once the oven is done preheating, we're going to roll the cookie dough into small balls. Put it on the pan and bake for 13 minutes. After it's done baking, we're going to let it cool on a drying rack and continue until the cookie dough is gone. Now, all we have to do is enjoy it.
Thank you so much, Alex, for teaching us how to bake those delicious cookies. Now let's get into the sports highlights with boys soccer and water polo. Great job, boys soccer and water polo. I heard that ASB has something to announce.
Let's go see what they had to say.
Hey Michelle, what are you doing the 21st on Friday?
I don't think I have anything that day.
Anything? You should totally go to the Winterfest.
What's the Winterfest?
Oh, it's a dance that the sophomores are hosting. It's going to be at the quad and it's going to be through 7 p.m. through 11 p.m.
What's the theme?
Tangled Under the Lanterns.
What are the prices?
The prices? Oh, do you have an ASB card?
I don't actually.
Oh, it will be $50 if you don't have an ASB card, and for guests, it will be the same price. And if you have a friend who has an ASB card, it will be $5 less. Get your tickets today.
I'm so excited. Make sure you guys go get your tickets.
One quick little announcement before we end the episode. Our boys varsity basketball team got invited to play at the Intuit Dome. Make sure to go check that out. And that's all for this episode.
Bye, Pioneers.